Hello G, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Harain's Mama's another brand new vlog. Hope you all the viewers are fine and happy, so you wanna eat cake. But no source to order, so why not you are try at home? What? Blender? Oven? It's okay, no problem. Let's join. I am making the cake without blender and oven. I am making only available accessories which are available in your kitchen. Let's start. 2 eggs and add a cup of sugar and mix well. You can add sugar powder. I have no blender, so I am blending with whisker. If you sugar, you have to blend 10 to 12 minutes. If you add sugar powder, then no need to blend 10 minutes. You can blend 3-4 minutes. And add 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil and mix. Now the next step is to add a half cup of milk and mix it well. If you want to make chocolate cake, you have to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix it. Make sure about the air bubbles. You have to be careful during blending the mixture. You have to blend while cocoa powder mix and no air bubbles in it. So blend, and blend. You can see how blend I am. And check the consistency of the mixture. So you have to make like this. Now add a cup of all-purpose flour made it into small portions. And keep mixing it at the same time and remove all the air bubbles. Now the last but not the least step. To add a half tablespoon of baking powder and mix the cake recipe. See, you can check the consistency of the chocolate cake recipe. You must have to carefully about consistency, a little mistake can spoil. And the cake, so you have to be very careful. Now prepare a mold for cake. Take the oil and grease your mold and take a normal paper and cut into the size of the mold. And fix it onto the bottom of the mold. The mixture or recipe we make convert into the mold. Take a large pot, whatever you have in your kitchen. Put a stand in it and place this cake mixture on top of it for 30 to 40 minutes on low flame. After half an hour, check with the stick. If stick wet, then give some time while cake is ready to eat. So hope you guys really enjoy this recipe and must try at home. We will meet another brand new vlog. Remember me in your prayers. If you like my videos, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.